Creo Parametric 9.0 introduces streamlined placement and editing workflows for surface finish in MBD. The moment that you will choose the surface finish command, you will observe the ribbon design that holds all the editing properties and is now aligned with the other annotations. You can use the new surface finish gallery and browse for the required surface finish symbol. This gallery is customizable, and you will also observe that new standard compliant symbols were added to it. The moment that the surface finish is selected, you will immediately get its preview on the screen, and multiple placement options will be offered using the shortcut menu. Once the annotation is placed with a leader, you will also observe the improved flipping behavior that will help you to get the desired orientation depending on the cursor location. You can now decide also to customize the surface finish content and grouping. This is possible directly from the ribbon. The customization panel contains all the different grouping and variable text that were defined for the symbol, and you can also instantly observe the changes in the built-in preview window. Now that I finished the customization, I may also want to adjust the symbol's size, orientation, or origin. This is possible using the new transform command from the contextual menu. Like for other annotations, you can now also define and manage semantic references for surface finish annotations. In addition, surface finish also have additional control for restricted reference. This means that you can choose which model references should be restricted and should not allow application of other surface finish annotations on them. This is in order to eliminate ambiguous situations downstream. Surface finish annotations also support semantic query, so you can quickly verify which semantic references are included and make corrections if needed. I will try to repeat one of the existing surface finish and place it on one of the restricted surfaces. Once this is attempted, the placement will not be accepted, and a warning in the message area will let me know which surface finish is already controlling this surface. And finally, the newly added surface finish symbols are already predefined with a set of system parameters that are created on the surface finish instance and can convey the definition to downstream consumers more easily.